Alright, so if you have a Inspiron, this is the E1505. So I'll show you something real quick. Under this edge over here, you can stick a flathead right here and just pop this up and just work your way over slowly. It's up under this edge. This whole piece right here will just pop off fairly easy. You want to tighten this screw here and this screw here if they're loose. Get that good on there. So really good. And then what you want to do is take a flathead. You need to pull these guys out first, which are these little stoppers. So just take a flathead and stick in there. There's two different ones. So there's this one. It's going to be the second one, and then there's another one that's on top of that. So you want to get down, remove those because there's screws up under here. If you remove the screws on the ends, so right there and right there, you can wedge a flathead right up under here and just pry up a little bit. Then get it on the side over here and pry it apart. It'll actually snap apart from right here. See where it like locks in. You don't need it a whole lot, just need it enough where you can kind of reach down up under here with a screwdriver. So as you see, there's two more screws right here, and see how loose the top of this laptop is. So what we're going to do is we're going to tighten these on both sides, which I'm going to turn off the camera to do. And then basically after that's done, you would just basically push all this back together, put the screws back in, and then just snap all the stuff back in, put those little stoppers back over these, and then you should be good. So let's get that done. Alright, so they were very loose, so once we're done with that, we're just going to basically snap it back together like that. It's not hard. Just basically work your way around. Alright, so this is for any of those Inspirons. So on this side over here, this side pops in first, and then if you just push it down, it should snap into place. It'll snap back in. And we've got the screws back in here, so the ones inside the monitor are tight here, the ones in the base are tight. Same thing on this side, and the actual top is actually a lot better than it was, so it seems to be a lot better. It's a lot tighter, but still, you know, it's just how these old laptops are like that. So it's not bad, and I'm running Debian on this. It's not bad. I got it for free, so can't complain at all. It actually runs pretty good, so I'm digging it. Alright, you guys take it easy. Peace.